If you want to add an Airprint printer, follow these simple steps. First, make sure that your printer is within range of your router. Most modern printers have Wi-Fi capability and display the wireless logo. If you're not sure whether your printer has Wi-Fi or Airprint capabilities, check the manual that came with it, or you can check Apple's list of Airprint printers. Next, plug your printer into a power source using the power cable that came with it or one that's compatible. Once your printer is plugged in, turn it on by pressing the power button. The location of the power button varies by printer, but it's usually located on the front or back of the device. Now, navigate to your printer's wireless network settings. Most modern printers have a built-in display that you can use to navigate various menus. The location of the wireless settings varies by printer, but you'll usually find it in a menu called Settings or Manage. Select your Wi-Fi network on the printer. Once you find the wireless settings, the printer should start scanning for wireless access points it can connect to. Select the SSID of your wireless router, which is usually found on the bottom or back of the router, and then enter the Wi-Fi password if required. Finally, connect your computer, phone, or tablet to the same Wi-Fi network. Once you've connected the Airprint printer to your Wi-Fi network, it will show up as a printer on any device, such as your iPhone, as long as the device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That's it. You can now print from any device that's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Airprint printer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.